Good morning, everyone. Welcome to April 13th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures down 48, S&P futures are down 5, and NASDAQ futures are down 9. Asian shares were higher, while European shares were lower overnight. Futures were positive ahead of the bell on Thursday, even though weekly jobless claims were higher than expected. The market started out strong, maintaining a positive bias all day long. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes were up over 1.3%. Today we'll get the CPI report at 8:30 a.m. with the market expecting a reading of 0.3%. Then we'll get Michigan consumer confidence with the market looking for a reading of 76.1. Both J.P. Morgan and Wells Fargo will report earnings before the bell. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1390, the 50-day at 1374, and the 200-day at 1271. The S&P closed at 1387 with support at 1374 and resistance at 1390. The bulls picked up Thursday morning right where they left off on Wednesday as they were able to convince traders to move back into long positions. Importantly, the S&P closed back over its 50-day moving average and is now only a few points away from its 20. Now we'll see if the selling from the past few days was enough to satisfy those who moved to the sidelines and if a near-term bottom is in. If selling does resume, we'll want to see if the bulls can keep that 50-day from being breached again. It's that time again. The weekend is here. This means time for rest, relaxation, and getting ready for next week when options expire and earnings session kicks into high gear. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back Monday morning with another Market Minute.